from?
I'm from Jambi, in exactly Sungai Manao.
Okay, so where was you born?
I was born in Jambi on 11 July 2006.
Okay, so what is your name?
My name is Sidam Pratama.
Okay, how old are you?
Oh, I am 15 years old.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have?
I have three siblings, two younger sisters.
Okay, so what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rendang
Okay, why do you like rendang?
because rendang is delicious.
Okay, so what is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is pop ice.
Pop ice. Why do you like pop ice?
Because pop ice make my body fresh.
Okay, so what is your favorite music?
My favorite music is DJ music
DJ music. Why do you like DJ music?
because DJ music needs to see, it needs to hear.
Nice. What is your name?
My name is Azraneta.
How old are you?
I'm 40 years old.
Where was you born?
I was born in Minang on 10 February 2007.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have?
I have to say,
So what is your last education?
I'm still student of senior high school.
Okay, so what is your favorite food?
I have no favorite food
Why you don't have any favorite food?
because all foods are special for me.
Okay, so what is your favorite music?
My favorite music is K-pop
K-pop. Why do you like K-pop?
because K-pop music is nice to hear.
Okay, so what is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is apple juice
Apple juice. Why do you like apple juice?
because apple juice is delicious.
Okay, so what is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Islam
Islamic movie. Why do you like Islamic movie?
because Islam movie motivate.
Hey, right. So what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is like white and pink
Okay, why do you like black, white, and pink color?
because that color is beautiful.
Okay, so what is your favorite book?
My favorite book is
Novel. Why do you like novel?
because I like the stories now.
The stories of the novel. Okay, so what is your dream?
My dream is I want to be successful
Okay, why do you want to be successful?
because I want to make my parents proud of me.
Okay, alright, thank name. How old are you? Where are you from? Okay, where what is your last education?
Of senior high school.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have?
I have three siblings, three older brothers.
Okay, so where was you born?
I was born in Tanjung on 28 September 2006.
Okay, so what is your favorite food?
I have no favorite food
Why you don't have any favorite food?
because all food are special to me.
Okay, so what is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is
Mine.
oranges. My favorite drink is the orange juice
Why do you like orange juice?
because orange juice
So what is your favorite music? Why do you like hip hop? Okay, so what is your favorite movie? Why do you like on the spot? So what is your favorite color? Why do you like black and white color?
Because I like colorful.
Okay, so what is your dream? What is your dream? Oh, so what is your favorite book?
My favorite book is a novel
Novel. Why do you like novel?
because I did study.
My name is Faris.
How old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from in Jambi.
Okay, what is your what is your last education?
I'm still student of senior high school.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings, one younger brother, one younger sister.
Okay, so where was you born?
I was born in Pekanbaru on 25 June 2006.
Okay, so what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is fish
Why do you like fish?
because fish is delicious.
Okay, so what is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice avocado.
Avocado juice.
Avocado juice
Why do you like avocado juice?
because avocado juice make my body fresh.
So what is your favorite music?
My favorite Islamic music.
Why do you like Islamic music?
Because Islamic is nice to hear.
Nice to hear. So what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Why do you like green color?
Because green is the color.
The color. So what is your favorite? So what is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Islamic.
Why do you like Islamic book?
Because